Welcome back, guys. Today we will learn to convert this dull image into this dramatic effect. So let's begin. First of all, open this image into Snapseed.
Yes, now I'll go to the tools. In tools, we'll first go to the tune image. In this, we'll add some brightness to our image. Now I'll move towards highlights. In the highlights, we'll increase a bit. Then in shadows, we'll increase more. Okay, now this looks fine. Now we'll take some colors from the downside from greens. For that, we'll go for selective filter. That will select the ground this way. Okay, that's fine. Now we'll first of all go to the saturation. We'll increase the saturation a bit. We'll go to the brightness. Yes, a bit of contrast. Yes, contrast to the positive side. Yes, that's nice. Again, now I'll go to the brush. I'll go in the dodge with dodge value at 5. I'll brush it on the ground. Yes, this looks fine, right? Yes. Now I'll change. I'll go to the saturation. I'll again make it 5. Again brush it on the ground. Then a bit of it on this sides where the light is falling. That looks fine, right? Yes. Now I'll save that image. Now I'll go to the vintage filter. I'll use preset value 12. Now I'll go to the style strength. I'll increase a bit. I'll go vintage. Now I will increase a bit brightness of the image. Nice. Now I'll masking that by going here in view edits, reset edit by vintage. I'll go on this. Now I'll make this image smaller. Yeah, that's fine. It looks like an great now. Now I'll go again in select filter. This time I'll go for the skies. This side, yes. Increase a bit brightness. Oh, okay. I'll decrease brightness here and again a bit here. Now that's fine. Now finally I'll go in the tune image. In tune image I'll go for the highlights again. Highlights, yes. Now I'll decrease the highlights this time and using masking. Okay, now I'll use masking. The masking this time will do for our skies. So I'll brush it with the sky part. Yes, that's it. I'll compare our image. Yes, that's fine. Now I'll compare the image. See, these are the changes. Right, now we will see step by step changes made. We'll go to view edits. See this. The original image was this. Then we tuned it a bit. Then we use selective filter for ground floor. Then again we brush that with dodge. We dodge that ground floor plus this lighting the sides. Vintage filter. And selective filter. And finally tune image for that dark background. Right? Thank you, guys.